Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about basic spelling rules. If children started to write spelling test or dictation, for them it would be very useful if they know the basic spelling rules. I will try to add this video in phonics playlist only. Of course it is not in the process because I need to add some more videos for the phonics which I didn't do. Okay, so I'm doing this video first, so I'll try to add in the playlist in the same sequence, but later I will update these numbers. Okay, please make a note. Now let's see the rules. Okay, so the first rule, short vowel rule. What do you mean by short vowel rule? So first we will read the definition, then I'll try to explain. Okay, when we observe the rule it looks like very complicated, but actually it's not that much difficult. Because this is a rule, I wrote everything whatever is there. Okay, I'll try to make it simple when I explain the topic. This is very useful those who are looking for notes. Okay, for them only I write everything. If I didn't write, if I just say these things in words, then it would be very difficult to understand. So that's why I put everything over here. Let's read the definition first. When one syllable words have a vowel in the middle, the vowel usually has a short sound. So what do you mean by this? So first of all we should know what do you mean by syllable. I hope you all know about syllable. Syllable is nothing but it is a word or part of word, so which has vowel in that. Okay, so if you see here, so we have three words, so these are all one syllable words. See, we have only one vowel in each word. So now we got what do you mean by syllable. So next we'll see what this definition says. So here when we have the vowel in the middle, okay, so then it has to be a short sound. In one word syllable and the vowel is in the middle, then the vowel sound has to be short sound. So that's it, short vowel rule. See here, cat, dog, hat. So all we are pronouncing using short sounds only. Cat, dog and hat. If we look at these words, so in the middle we have A, O, E, right? So in cat, A, so we used to say short sound O, A. And this rule also says if the letter after the vowel is F, L or S, this letter is often double. So if we encounter vowel after F, L, S, then it has to be double. So like for example, staff, A after we have consonant F, then it is double. Let's see next example. So next example again we got A, ball, A after L, so which is again consonant, so we need to double that too. So ball. Next for S, okay, I'll give you one more example. S is press. Yeah, so press, what's the spelling? P-R-E-S-S. So E after again we got consonant yes, so it has to be double. Okay, now let's see second rule, two vowels together. So when two vowels are next to each other, the first vowel is usually long, the sound is same as the sound of the letter, and the second vowel is silent. This rule we have already discussed in our previous videos. So when you have the two vowels in the word, okay, so first word whatever it may be, so we have to pronounce that one like long sound, and the second one we have to make it silent. So let's see few examples. Meat, goat, seat. Okay, so here two vowels are together. Okay, even sometimes we won't see both the vowels together, but still we will use the same rule. So meat, so here E we are pronouncing using long sound. So the name of the letter itself is a long sound, right? So and for O also we are using goat, O. So O is a long sound of O. So name of the letter itself is a long sound. And then seed. So here also again C. So we are making the remaining vowel, whatever is there, so that is silent. So we have lot of rules, spelling rules. So I'll try to explain in form of series. That's it for today's class. Hope you understand all the concepts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.